In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI writing assistant in Trello. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing projects and tasks, but sometimes finding the right words to express an idea or update can be a bit challenging. That's where the AI writing assistant comes to the rescue. It's a handy feature designed to help you generate text quickly and effectively, giving you the support you need right when you need it. First things first, let's dive right into Trello, and I'll show you how to make use of this feature. Start by clicking on a card to open it. Once you have the card open, direct your attention to the description section. Here, you'll notice an icon that resembles a circular crosshair. This is your gateway to the AI writing assistant. To start engaging with the AI, simply click on this icon. By doing so, you activate the AI function, which will allow you to harness the power of artificial intelligence directly within your Trello workspace. This feature is designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow, making it easier than ever to craft compelling and precise content. Next, you'll need to enter a prompt or request for the AI. Think of this as giving the AI a set of instructions or a topic you want it to assist you with. It could be as simple as drafting an email or as complex as generating detailed project descriptions. Be clear and specific in your request to get the best results. Once you've entered your prompt, the AI will get to work and provide you with a preview of what it has generated based on your input. This is your chance to review the content and ensure it aligns with what you are aiming for. If you find the preview satisfactory and it meets your expectations, you can easily insert it into the description by clicking the Insert button. This action places the generated text into the card, allowing you to move forward with your task efficiently. But that's not all. The AI writing assistant isn't just limited to the description section of your cards. It's versatile and can be used in other text fields within your Trello board, including the comment section. This means you can utilize its capabilities wherever text input is required, making it a valuable resource across your entire Trello experience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the AI writing assistant in Trello. With this tool, you can enhance your productivity by creating well-structured text with ease, giving you more time to focus on the strategic aspects of your projects. Experiment with different prompts and see how it can best serve your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.